Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're going to be making grilled ham, egg, and cheese sandwiches in an iron frying pan. So let's get started. First, we need to cut a hole in our bread, and I'm going to just use a mayonnaise jar lid and see how that works. Just kind of rock it around, give it a little twist. And there she is. Now we can put our egg in there. Now we're going to set our stove burner to medium low and let it get nice and hot. It'll take about 4 minutes. Okay, now all we got to do, since the pan's nice and hot, is just give our pan a little spritz here of oil, canola oil, and we can take our bread with the hole in it, put it right in there. Make sure it's sealed down the bottom there. And now we can crack our egg and put it right in there. Just like that. And we'll have to wait until that gets started to firm up a little bit. Meanwhile, we'll just put our lid on top here and help things out a little bit. Let's check our egg. It's starting to firm up a little. There you go. Definitely firming up a little bit. The yolk is just about ready. Now you can break that if you want and make like a little bit of a scrambled egg effect, or you can leave it that way. I just like to leave it that way, you know. Now what we can do is flip it. Just like that, to get that yolk done a little bit. And then we'll flip it back and we'll build our sandwich, you know. And that'll be good. Yeah, let's flip it back and we'll build our sandwich. Now you can use the top part if you want. You can put it right back in there. Or you can save it. Just like that. Make like a little ring on the other side. Now we can put our ham on there. And a piece of cheese. And don't forget, you can put a little salt and pepper on there. I like a little bit of each. Like the pepper though. And then what we'll do is we'll put our top back on, and now we have a little sandwich. Now we spritz the top with a little bit of light oil, keep them sticking when we flip it. Okay, let's flip it over and see how we're doing. Not bad. Let's get the other side toasted, and the cheese will melt and the ham will warm up and everything will look good. We'll see how it turns out. Okay, let's check the other side. See how it is. Looks nice. I'll let that other side cook just a little while longer. What we're trying to do is heat all the way through and melt the cheese and also warm up the ham good. So it's slow and steady wins the race in this one. Okay, let's see how that is and we'll plate that up. Yep, it's done. Done on both sides. Okay, let's plate that up. Just like that. There we go. And we got to test it out, see how that is. Okay. Let's see how this is here. That's beautiful. Perfect. I gotta take a little bite. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. Absolutely perfect. Toasted ham, egg, and cheese in an iron frying pan. Can't beat it. Well, friends, that's it for this one. More info is in the description. And just remember, if I can do it, you can do it. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.